Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Bless you, Mama. Hug.
Ay, mama.
Okay na.
Hi, my name is Yasmin Di Bacalon. For this activity, I choose simple but meaningful Filipino tradition of doing permanent and greeting my mother properly every time I get home. From school. This is my way of showing respect to her and all others.
Okay.
Here is my reflection. What did I do? I greeted my mother, did hermano, and show her less affection as soon as I got home. Who did I help? I showed respect to my mother, who works hard to take care of me. Who did this show respect? For human dignity. A small act tells her that I respect her and respect her as my elder, and her feelings and efforts matter so much for me.